So let me open my terminal. uh, Here I'll be selecting my Anaconda terminal here. Then I will just write Jupyter notebook. So if you don't have your Anaconda, okay, so you can install that. I have opened my Jupyter notebook here. Then I will be, you can say, uh, creating, you can say, a new, you can say, notebook file here. So let me create that. Then I will name it recommender system. Okay, now let's start working on that. So first of all, I will be importing some of the packages, like I will be importing numpy as np. Then I will be importing the pandas as pd. Then I will be importing matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Then I'll be importing os. So these are some packages I'll be importing. So after importing that, I will be reading my data set, okay, one by one. So first of all, I'll be reading my movies data set. So for that, like, I'll be creating a variable. Then I'll be stored my data in this variable. So let's call my pandas pd.read. So if you press tab here, so it will suggest you, because it's a CSV file I'll be reading. And if I talk about where is our data, so it is available in our data directory. Okay, so for that I have to mention the path here. So in the data folder, so our you can say tm db. Okay, tmdb, this movies csv is available. Okay, so I have read that file. Then similar wise, I will be reading our, you can say, credits.csv also. Okay, because all the credits are available in this credit.csv. So first of I will be writing credits, and here I will just change the name tmdb credits csv. Okay, so if I press enter, so you'll be seeing, yeah, it has executed successfully. And if I show you the head of movie, uh, movie.head, let's just show two items. So see, this is the movie. Okay, movie related data. So here you can see budget is there. Okay, the budget of this movie, then genres of this movie. Okay, it is science fiction or action, okay, or adventure. Okay, all the information are written here. And the home page of this movie, so where is this movies, because where this movies is available. Okay, so this is the home page. And the id of this movie, so I have already discussed about the id. Okay, so if you go to this tmdb website, and here you will find in every movie, okay, there would be some id. Okay, so that's why, like, there they have also, you can see, stored this movie id here. Okay, so this is an important color, this is an important column. Okay, will be like using in our projects. Then the keyword, some of the keywords of this movie. Okay, so what are the keywords are available. Okay, then original language, so what are the languages are available on this movie, like these are also mentioned. Then if you see the original title of this movie, what was the original title, because a title might be changed. Okay, because it has released because a movie might release in a, you can say, different language, so title is important also. Then you can see also the overview. So if you see the overview, so it would be a small description of your, you can say, movies. Then the popularity, then production companies, okay, the production countries, and the release date of this movie. And if I talk about the revenue, what was the revenue of this movie, then runtime, then spoken, you can say, language, then status, it has released or unreleased, okay. These are information are also given. Then the taglines, okay, so these are the some taglines of this movie. And this is the title, and this vote average and vote counts, okay. So these are some, you can say, columns in our movies, you can say, uh, data set, okay. Now let's see our credits. So what are the things are available in the credits? So I will be just writing head, and I will be showing you the two items. So see, here also you can say, find the similar kinds of movie ID here. Then the title is also there, okay. Then I think movie ID is not there. Yes, ID is there. So this is the same ID. And the cast means like, what are the cast, like, working on this worked in this movie, okay. So those character name here, okay. All the heroes and heroine names here you will be fine. And the crew, like, if I talk about the crews, okay, so what were the, like, you can say, uh, crew were working in these movies, okay. If I talk about the cameraman and the director, okay, then fashion designer, all the crew information are available in this credits, okay, .csv. So these, you can say, this is the, you can say, small look of our data set. Now if I show you the shape of the movie, movie dot shape. So you can see, there are almost, you can say, we have seen, it's you can say 5,000 data set, but there is some information missing. So there are some information missing, okay. I think they didn't able to, like, you can say, collect this 200 movies, okay. But it is fine. You can say we have, you can say, 4803 movie, okay, and 20 columns. So that is fine for us, okay. So we'll be working on that.